Hey guys, Brett here, and in this video I want to show you my $300 day system. So $300 day is a software and training combination that's designed to help anybody make sales and earn affiliate commissions on digital products. Now, selling digital products as an affiliate is quite frankly one of my favorite ways to make money online. The commissions are very high, the income is quite lucrative, and also there are a ton of buyers buying digital products on the internet. My favorite network to sell digital products on is JVZoo, and that's what I focus on in the $300 day system. The training aspect of $300 day is a step-by-step guide that teaches people how to build up a following and how to monetize that following. It's broken up into 6 weeks, and it takes you step by step from the very beginning to being a successful affiliate marketer. It teaches you everything you need to know with nothing left out. It starts at the very beginning, explaining exactly what internet marketing is and the basics of JVZoo, and then it continues on to building a following, monetizing that following, following up with that following, building an email list, and of course, making money from the following and the email list that you've built. The software aspect of $300 day is a cloud-based system called Bonus Builder. And Bonus Builder is designed specifically to work with the training that is taught in $300 day. And as you can see on this screen, I use Bonus Builder and the $300 day training in my own business. This is exactly the system that I use when I do affiliate marketing. You can see several of my past campaigns right here. What I want to show you in this video is one of the latest campaigns that I've done using the $300 day training combined with the Bonus Builder software. So recently a new system called Interactor has been released, and I was promoting this as an affiliate. I'm actually currently promoting it as I'm making this video right now. And you can see my Bonus Builder page right here for Interactor Bonus. Now what I want to do is show you the results that I've gotten so far after just over 24 hours. I'm going to go ahead and click on the stats so you can see exactly what they are. And you can see I've gotten 136 new emails to my list. So I'm building up my email list as I'm running this campaign. I've actually added 136 new people to my email list in just over 24 hours. But what about money? Let's go ahead and head over to JVZoo and see how much money I've earned to build this email list. So here we are on my JVZoo account, and on the right-hand side of the screen here, you can see my affiliate snapshots. And yesterday, I earned $1,259 promoting Interactor. And so far today, at 11:38 a.m., I've earned an additional $812 promoting Interactor. This takes me to over $2,000 in just about 24 hours using the power of $300 day training combined with the Bonus Builder software.